So seventh question is for reaction 2N2O5 Z gas form gives 4NO2 gas plus O2 gas. So this is the reaction 2N2O5 gives that 4NO2 plus O2. So the rate of formation of NO2 is 2.85 into 10 to the power minus 3 m per second. So the rate of the formation of NO2 is this. So we have to calculate the rate of disappearance of N2O5. So the rate of formation is this of NO2. So we have to calculate the disappearance rate of N2O5. This. So the answer is rate formula is given as 1 by 4 delta NO2 upon the delta T, which is equals to, also write it as equals to 1 by 2 delta N2O5 by delta T. So the answer will be the rate of, this is given rate of NO2 formation. So this will be the 1 by 4 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we have to find the rate of this. So we write it as same rate of disappearance of N2O. We just take this side and we get the formula 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 ms. So the answer will be this disappearance, because it's rate of disappearance, so this is the negative sign. So it will be 1.4 into 10 to the power minus m per second. Thank you.